you mentioned that a lot of people are comfortable and okay and like that brainstorming session, those high level bullets. But then going from that to structured, unambiguous thing is what takes a lot of time, and in some way through maybe question back and forth can be automated, and this is what we are trying to do and to solve. Another problem is that the like people love Excel. A lot of people write requirements in Excel. It's to me it's crazy to consume and to produce textual content in Excel. Then if you go directly to Jira, it's again so many fields, so many dropdowns, so many options. So like Jira is not a place for creative writing. So what I found myself throughout my previous roles, when I had to write a bunch of these requirements, I would go to a note-taking app, as clean as possible, and accept that at the end of my spec writing, let's say, session, I'll have to spend half an hour, 3 hours a day in copy pasting and putting it from where I was comfortable writing to where it needed to end up. So we are actually really focusing on this to give you this clean white space where you can do the creative writing. You can use AI to organize, to restructure, and then through integrations you can push it where it needs to end up, be it Jira, Trello, other tools.